Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video, I will talk about my earring and short album through some photo. Photo number 1. I gone to the office for a shift. My sister from my mother. Photo number 2. I am cleaning the pool where I play with my son, do craft and study. Photo number 3. Responsibility and love to study. I love it a lot. Photo number 4. Doing laundry. Sometimes I do every day because I like it. Photo number 5. I am preparing a delicious food for my beautiful family. Photo number 6. Doing my university activity and like studying. Photo number 7. I go shopping at the village store. Photo number 8. I am painting a house with my son. I like. Thanks very much for your attention. See you later.